Winter has always been my favorite time of the year, and I've always tried to be in the outdoors during this time. A snowy mountain, pine forest, and your tent at that place. I mean, what best thing one can possibly ask for? This is why Kedakantha called me for second time. And when mountains are calling, I never say no. After meeting the accident, I have mostly stayed at home because I lost an eye. Then after 1.5 years, I started traveling to nearby places, but during those time, my heart has always been longing for the Himalayas. So here I am, trying out my luck, my confidence, and trying to be on a mountaintop. Hi, good morning, welcome to Ropac. Namaste, कैसे हैं आप? So this is for the third time I'm in Sankri and it's going to be second attempt to Kedarkantha. Yes, I'm going to trek to Kedarkantha for second time and I'm very excited about it. और आज ही शुरू कर रहे हैं. So this is the day. Seems like a clear day, but पता नहीं आगे कैसा मौसम हो सकता है. अभी ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, तैयार होना है और बस चलना है फिर जुड़ा का तालाब. So today's campsite is going to be Juda Ka Talab, which is 3 kilometers from Sankri. So it's not going to be a difficult day, so easily पहुंच जाएंगे. The only difficult thing for me is my vision, which is not proper. I can see only from one eye, and yes, that is the difficult thing, and I think I can manage it, and I'll do it. I will reach the summit. That's my confidence. Okay guys, all the best. All the best. Yo. So right now I guess only 2% or maybe 5% completed, but अभी से ही हाफने लगे हैं. Oh, this is the unfit me while trekking. One pro tip, actually बहुत simple सा tip है, keep yourself hydrated whenever you are trekking. That's the key for a better trek. As you keep moving up the mountain, the view gets beautiful because it's kind of same like the higher you get, the more you see. But the trail becomes slippery, and it's because of the melting snow. You also get to meet some people who are coming back from the summit.
टेम्परेचर था लिटरली -14 करीब होगा, -14. हवा ऐसे चल रहा है वहाँ पे जैसे एकदम प्रेशर मार रहा है कोई, जैसे कोई पंच कर रहा है अपने को, स्लैप कर रहा है कि भाई हम गिर जाएंगे. और ये जो स्टिक है, स्टिक बहुत मतलब एक तरीके से 2 टांग होती है बंदे की, ये तीसरी टांग है. ये सपोर्ट देगी आपको सीरियसली. इट वॉज माई बेस्ट सनराइज एवर. इस बार हमने अपना रक्सैक म्यूल में ला दिया है, तो अभी ज़्यादा भारी नहीं है बैकपैक, तो इजीली वीडियो बना पा रहे हैं. तब भी देखो कितना सांस फूल रहा है. यही होता है अनफिट रहने का. So whenever you go to a trek, make yourself fit. Jenola is the first campsite on Kedarkantha trek, but this is not where we are going to stop. Lots of snow here. This snow, man, this forest seems so magical to me. इतने सालों बाद मैं आ रहा हूँ वापस केदारकंठा, स्नो ट्रैक. बहुत याद आ रहा है वो केदारकंठा का ट्रैक. आई वॉज सो फिट एट दैट टाइम. अभी फिट नहीं हूँ तो क्या हुआ, एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ. I'm enjoying a lot. I feel like I'm alive right now. Really. I needed this trek a lot. I can also see the peaks here. They are visible. Wow. Yes, I'm alive. I'm rocking. पहुंच गए भाई फर्स्ट कैंप साइट, जूड़ा का तालाब.
It was easy.
It was easy. For you?
Not for me.
Not easy?
No.
Moderate?
Moderate. Yeah. We can say moderate.
चलना पड़ा.
To be honest, we reached late because we started late. And after nightfall, there is nothing much to do other than having your dinner. But we got lucky with a local guide who sang a local song for us.
ऊंचे कांडोले दुनी स्वर्ग की रोहिणी मोतियों सिरी डोकणी तोयली रे तुड़ी कांडियों की कौन नाचनी.
Good morning.
मॉर्निंग यो
ये देखो, रूपा थर्मोकोट का ऐड करते हुए, लक्स इन्फर्नो का ऐड करते हुए हमारे जयदेव. मजा आ रहा है.
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया.
Good morning, everybody. What's up? Namaste. It's a very good morning, but sun is not out yet. लेकिन कल रात को हमने स्नोफॉल विटनेस किया. बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं हुआ, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत स्नोफॉल हो रहा था और टेम्परेचर भी थोड़ा लो हो गया था. But luckily we had very good sleeping bags and it was very insulated, and so we had a very good night's sleep. But still we are waiting for the sun to get out so we can charge ourselves. Sun is very important during snow trek. अगर sun नहीं आता है तो you feel a little bit low, but फिर भी you need to keep moving. And the first thing we are going to do is have tea and have a breakfast. And if it is 9, then get going. Move for base camp. Today's campsite is Kedarkantha's base camp. So ठीक है, मिलते हैं आपको. I'll see you at the dining area.
Okay, so here we start our day 2 trek, and today's base will be base camp. We are going to camp at base camp, and tomorrow we will leave for summit at 3 a.m. So on the way we are going to stop at Juda ka Talab, so which is the frozen lake. See you at Juda ka Talab.
Second day's first halt is at Juda ka Talab, which is at 15-minute trek distance from our campsite. The lake is at an altitude of 8,910 feet, and the name Juda ka Talab is because there are two lakes merged to look like one.
Guys, this was Juda ka Talab, but we didn't get any chance to go into the middle of it because drone कोशिश कर रहा था ड्रोन उड़ाने की, लेकिन क्या हुआ ना कि ड्रोन एकदम से बंद पड़ गया, तो हमें टाइम ही नहीं मिला और अभी हमें निकलना है बेस कैंप के लिए. सो बैड लक, विल ट्राई नेक्स्ट टाइम. So this is the place from where you get heavy amount of snow. और आपको यहाँ पे तो माइक्रो स्पाइक्स की ज़रूरत है, जो हमने पहले पहन लिया. अब से स्नो ही स्नो है. ट्री लेवल थोड़ा कम मिलेगा.
On second day's trek, you get somewhat convinced about people calling Kedarkantha as the best winter trek. Kedarkantha has everything to offer to a beginner trekker. The forest, the snow, and yes,
the cool breeze which takes away your tiredness in matter of minutes. The trek from Judaka Talab to base camp is a short one, might be around 2 kilometers. And after reaching there, you realize and literally say these words, oh my god, so many people. There are a lot of camps at base camp, and besides that, it has also some beauty to offer.
Okay, we've reached the base camp. बहुत नीचे है इस बार, लेकिन हमें ना बहुत ट्रैक करना पड़ेगा ऊपर. दिस इज द वे फॉर समिट. यहाँ से ऊपर ऊपर वो दिख रहा है ना, उधर है समिट.
The snow-covered pine forest gives you one beautiful outdoor lunch experience, where you can also take a post-lunch stroll to get familiar with it. And that's not it. You can also see the peak of Kedarkantha.
First trek ever, a Kedarkant trek. It was actually a plan of one of my friends, but then she just casually asked me, like, you know, she's going on a solo trip, so if I can join.
जैसा कि आजकल ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है ट्रैकिंग का, वैसे मेरा ही बहुत शौक है ट्रैकिंग करने का. तो देखा मैंने केदारकंठ ट्रैक है जो बहुत फेमस है, और सुना है कि इन जैन फर्स्ट यहाँ पे मोर देन 5000 पीपल ट्रैकिंग करके गए हैं.
So I decided for this trekking because I had been suffering through a lot of mental health issues in last 4 to 5 months. And before that I used to love trekking, and I especially had a love for snow.
That's what mountains are. So when you come to mountains, teas and Maggies are your constant support. Yeah, it was quite tiring for me at least because it was my first trek. So
जो यहाँ का ट्रैक है वो इजी भी नहीं कह सकते, ना मॉडरेट कह सकते, क्योंकि जो वहाँ पे चढ़ाई है थोड़ी सी टफ है. और मतलब कि जिस हिसाब से टेम्परेचर है -2 -3, लाइकवाइज वहाँ स्नो भी है, मड भी है और स्लिपरी भी है. यहाँ पे जो टेम्परेचर रहता है इन नाइट लगभग -10 से लेके -12 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक.
I won't say it was really easy, it was difficult, but more than my physical strength, it was a test of mental strength, that how strong I am to reach to the goal that I wanted. And the goal is the first base camp, that is Judaka Talab, and the second base camp, that is a Kedarkantha base camp. It was difficult, but more than that, it was my mental resolution that no, I have to do it. Even if I'm slow, I have to achieve my target.
I'm quite excited for tomorrow's trekking journey. That is to start quite early in the morning. That will be 2 o'clock. That's what my guide said. But then I think we'll postpone it to 3 o'clock maybe. He said we'll have our breakfast and then we'll climb to the peak. That's Kedarkant. I'm repeating again. I'm very much excited on this.
उन्होंने जब हमें सर्व करा, खाने के बाद हमें खुद ही धोने पड़े. वो सबसे मतलब एक अच्छा भी था और कुछ सीखने वाला भी था कि भाई खुद खाओ और खुद धो. मतलब बेकार एक्सपीरियंस ये था कि वॉशरूम का, क्योंकि हमने कभी टिश्यू पेपर से साफ नहीं की.
So yes, it would, if I reflect it in my real life, it would really help me a lot in future when I get more difficult situations. The fun part, I made many good friends here, and just singing around and also playing in the snow, like Judaka Talab, the frozen lake was amazing.
But then yes, I want to record the sunrise time lapse. So I want to keep that as a memory with that snowy peak and the sunrise time lapse. So I quite love it.
Like, I would just like to say one thing. It might be difficult that you have to go up, and at times you will be tired. But yes, once you reach towards the base camp or towards the peak, it's an amazing experience and you will feel that it's worth it.
Okay, so down goes the sun at base camp. और अभी तक का ट्रैक तो इतना सही था, मैं क्या बताऊँ. दूसरी बार आने के बाद भी मुझे फील हो रहा है कि मैं नया हूँ. इतने दोस्त बनाए, बहुत अच्छा लगा अभी तक का. और अभी हमें फॉर राइट नाउ हमें तो अभी जाना है वापस अपने कैंप पे और खाना वाना जो भी खाएंगे और जल्दी सोना है, क्योंकि टुमारो वी आर लीविंग फॉर केदारकंठा समिट एंड वी नीड टू लीव बाय 3 AM इज़ द डेडलाइन. सो जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी डिनर करना और सो जाए. बाकी अभी तक का तो ट्रैक बहुत सही था.
कल आपको मिलते हैं सुबह 3 बजे।